What's going on, everybody? LogoCuber here. About 3.5 years ago, I made a comedy cubing video called Why Won't My Cubes Stay Together, and I took apart the 7x7, and the last time I ever held that 7x7 was right here.
The big reason why I don't like it, that's because there's YouTube.
That was the last time I ever held the my VCube 7x7 until today, when I decided I'm actually gonna put it back together. The reason it's already kind of together is because I actually took 2 takes of this video already, and then I failed, and now I'm here. So now I actually started recording again. So yeah, I guess I'll just start building away. I mean, what else? But yeah, I just need green and black. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start actually doing cubing videos again. But unlike when I had Lego Boy or LogoCuber, I'm not gonna try to make the whole channel just be about cubing, because that's really limiting, and I know that's how I've given up in the past, is I just limited myself to that one thing, and then suddenly I was like, well, I don't want to do this anymore. So whenever I want, I'll just either make cubing video or some sort of comedy video. Guess a lot of the time it'll also be comedy cube videos. So, I mean, yeah, this is just kind of what I'm going to be doing now. So, yeah, I gotta admit, I'm not sure if it sounds like it, but I am actually pretty excited to put together this 7x7 just because I haven't actually held it in my hands for so long. And the reason I didn't get one the reason I didn't build it for so long is because shortly after I took it apart, I got the Qi 7x7, and it was just much better than the VCube 7. So I just never really did it. One time I attempted to put it back together, but then gave up because it just wouldn't stay together. I got frustrated with it. I'd actually built it twice before, but in the third time after that video I made where I took it apart, I just didn't bother because I just didn't really feel like doing it. Didn't see the point. I knew that if I did it, I wasn't going to use it. And where is this black and green piece? I better be blind. Black and green edge piece. Oh no, that's not what I'm looking for anymore. I'm stupid. Orange and black is what I need right now. And here it is. But that's for the other side. So yeah. This is how it's going to be now, from now on. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, well, that works. Yeah, soon I'll be able to pick up the cube and actually show you guys, but right now it's just not stable enough to do that, so I just have to keep it down on the table. Kind of see the progress, though. All my pieces. Yeah, so I just gotta look for the smaller black and orange. Maybe you guys would help for once. I remember after I made the video where I took all my cubes apart years ago, I made a video where it was like kind of a tutorial, but also just me talking as I put together a cube. I made the video making a Megaminx, and I put the whole thing together, and I said that soon I would put together the V-Cube, but then I didn't. And it's just, for the longest time, it just has been disassembled in this bag in my desk. Today I was like, you know what? It's time. It's time I actually put it back together. Finally, found it. And the pieces are just fitting together like that. Now it's time to put it in a big old corner. Here we go, with the huge stem at the back. Put it down. There, soon I should be able to actually just pick up the cube. And this should go a lot faster now, because now there's just less pieces. Yeah, I mean, the more I go, the less pieces there are, I guess. So that's a good way to look at it. Okay. Okay, so I can put this here. Oh, now I can put the next corner down. Or, oh, that's a different one. I need this one. This is not going to be a good question to ask because I don't usually get that many comments at all, but I'm going to ask it anyway. I'm thinking if I get enough questions in the comments of this video, I'll do a Q&A. So if you ever want to see me do a Q&A, leave questions on this video. How about that? Leave questions on this video for me to do a Q&A. And I think I can pick this thing up now. You can see I have the whole full black side, but I know that if I turn this thing, the pieces will fall out. So I'm just gonna start holding it in my hand now so you guys can see it. But this is, I'm actually about to have my V-Cube 7 back. I mean, holy. And this is a fat cube too. Like it's, the pieces are small, but not like this small. So yeah. Now I guess what do I even put together next? This is the fun part. The cube starts to really go. Okay, so next I need, so what goes right there? I guess the next, like, edge piece. Oh, I know what I need. I know exactly what I need. Exactly what I need. I need these. And these. To make this. So if I just put it right here, I should just be able to slide it in, although I don't. If it all falls apart right now, I will just give up on everything. Holy. So I will just be very careful to not do that. And it almost just about came apart on me now. So yeah. Let's be careful about that. Be very careful about that. Yeah, I need to push this all back together. I'm glad I wasn't holding it when I did this. That would have been disastrous. Oh, I see what happened now. The edges kind of popped out of place. Not to worry, Logo Cuber is here. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'm not gonna risk breaking this thing now, because that would just be so horrible. Just gonna be nice and careful with it. Even if that means I can't show it on camera, I just... Okay. Be gentle with here. Okay. This is not what I expected. The thing is just not wanting to cooperate. For some reason, if I just hold all the pieces down, then they can't really come apart. I'll just do my best to maneuver it. Oh man, this thing is... It's playing chess with me now, whatever that means. Okay. It's being a pain. Why is it like that? I gotta what's going on in the bottom? Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, I just gotta straighten out the bottom. Okay, that seems good now. Now I think I kind of popped everything back into place. Yeah, there we go. Now I should... Well, this is definitely slowing me down. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Just for some reason does not want to do this. You know what? I got it in. That's what's important. I got those orange pieces in. Okay. I don't know why that was so difficult or why it just still doesn't want to be in place. I mean, this is really weird. This thing just doesn't want to do it for some reason. I'm just gonna have to start stacking more pieces until I can just really get this thing rolling. Oh. Okay, so now I just need to figure out what piece would go right there. My back hurts so much. What would go right there? No idea. Okay, so if that edge goes there, then I guess I'll just start trying pieces. Well, it might. Could just be one of these. And so it is. So that's what I'll do. It's one of these. Can't even see it, but it's one of these. So I'll just kind of put those in there. After that, okay, I need orange and blue. I guess I'll just look for some of those edges. Oh, don't hide on me, please. There we go. Oh, this one goes on the other side. Okay, so I need just one like this, but reversed. Found it instantly. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to have this thing back. It better not fall apart now, or else I'll be really sad. And probably do what I did with Logo Cuber, just quit cubing forever. Still haven't told the story of how that happened. Maybe I should. Oh man. This thing better go together. I will tell that story in just a bit. Okay. That's the center. Okay, so this piece would go right here. Yes, yes. So one of these elongated pieces would go. One of these would go. Whoa. Here. Yes, yes, yes. I just need to do that on the other side. Okay, blue pieces. I just need the blue pieces. Just, yeah. Any blue. Oh, I didn't even put the other ones yet. Okay, this is the part that like almost destroyed the cube somehow. Which was surprising. Hopefully I can do it this time. Where is another blue piece that I need? It's hiding from me. some goddamn reason. Come on. Here we go. Just gonna really hope that it's stronger now so that I can get this in here. Because it's kind of the only way I can really do this. Let's just do the one at a time method. Okay, that actually isn't too bad. I promise soon I'll be able to show this on camera. It's just, this thing cannot leave the table right now, trust me. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. I got it in there properly. I'm pretty happy about that. Well, there goes that piece. I give up. One piece I'll drop on the ground where it's all over. Slide that in, like so. Take this piece, slide it in. Take this piece, just put it in where it goes. And suddenly, now I can put in this piece, I think. Yep. And this piece. Now the thing's much more stable. Kind of. And then, what do I need after that? One of those weird orange pieces again, I think. Well, actually, well. We'll just try it. Okay, clearly not. Yeah, clearly not the piece that's supposed to go in there. It's gotta be another piece. What piece would go there? So it's... Oh, it'd just be the same as this piece. What is this? What is in here? Oh, wait a second. It is just that piece. I think I just have to put it in a different angle. But maybe it's got to be the reverse version, which now I have to find. Tell me this is a reverse version. Okay, it is. Okay, how does this go in here? I gotta pick it up now. Here it is. Okay. Maybe it would help if I put one more piece in. This one. Oh, wait, okay. So that... Oh, right there. Okay. Okay, now I just need... It's actually going really well now. I need... Okay, this is fine. We're doing good, I think. I feel like now this video isn't going to be entertaining, because it's just, I'm not really having much to say, but I didn't realize how much more focused I'd have to be to really complete this. Holy crap, almost got hard right there. Why am I dropping it? There we go. Just need a bigger blue one. Where is a bigger blue one? This one? No. After I find this piece, I'll probably start talking about Logo Cuber and what actually happened. Okay, now I need an edge piece. Just blue and orange. This is a big step in the process. I'm not gonna force it. We're just gonna gently put it in there. Yes, yes. Okay, now what if I might be able to just pick it up now if I do this right? Blue and orange. I'll get back to that. Orange. Oh, okay. I thought I was looking at orange, I was looking at red. No, that is not stable. Well. This might be risky, but I'm not sure if I actually want to do it. No. I'm not going to rush things. Here's what happened with Logo Cuber. When I created it, I had a big ambition of getting really popular really quickly. I said that consistently throughout the channel, like, oh, please like and subscribe. I really want to get like 300 subscribers by the end of the month. And that's kind of like the thing that I wanted the most was just to get like more and more popular with it. And so when that didn't happen and I would be averaging on like 5 or 10 views a video, I got pretty upset over that. And then, well, a not good thing I did was I made a video about 10 cubes that I had ordered, and I like unboxed them, and it was really good. I put a lot of effort into that video, and then I accidentally deleted it or whatever before I could post it, and I kind of just felt worn out, and then I didn't post for only 1 week, but I was trying to like consistently post, like weekly, and so I went like a full week without posting. I felt like I had just failed, and I just kind of had a burnout and was like, nah, can't do this. So I kind of just stopped. So yeah, that was definitely not a good way to handle it. When I started The Funny Guy, I had a different approach to it where now I'm not like, oh, I'll try to consistently upload, but it's not like, oh, I must consistently upload or else I'm failing or something. It's just like, I post whenever I want. If I feel like posting, I'll post. If I feel like making a video, I'll make a video. But just because I go a month without making a video doesn't mean I'm failing with my channel or anything, you know? Because, like, I can do whatever I want. They're my videos, right? Why is this all popping out? Don't do that. Don't do that. Thank you. Well. Okay, that was only 2 pieces. We're good. They weren't ready to go in yet, I guess. Holy. Do not do this to me. Why are all these pieces popping out? Don't do that. There we go, there we go. Kind of got it back together. We'll just be careful with it now. Real careful. I'll just start building up the next pieces. And whatever. Yeah, that's kind of what happened to Logo Cuber. I just couldn't post anymore. I just felt like I had failed, and I was like, whatever. Till 2 years later, I was like, I want to make comedy videos, and I'll post them whenever I want. And that's how I'm still here today. Well over a year later. Let's see here. Okay, so I think the next piece I need is like that. Where is it? I don't know. Here it is. This piece next, I think. Yeah, that's good. Now I guess I'll just start getting green and orange edge pieces. Start building them up. Now there's less pieces, so it's easier to find. There's not that many less than what I started with, but I would consider it this just a bit easier. What needs to be there, right? It's one of those. There. Okay. I think if I do this right, I can progress more. I just need a bigger orange weird edge center, whatever I call them. It's gonna be a long ass video. That's okay. The true Funny Guy Logo Cuber enjoyers will watch it. Probably not. Okay, why can't I find this piece? It's gotta be one of these. Just gotta be. Here we go. Found it. Well, I guess I can't really put it in yet because I need to build up the other pieces. So it's definitely playing difficult with me. A lot of the time I can definitely feel when it just doesn't want to be placed for like almost like no reason. Like I'll start putting pieces in, I'll be like, yeah, this will be good. And the whole thing just starts exploding. So that, I don't like that, obviously. Could I just slip this one in? Can I not even do that? That's tight. Just kind of... There, that's holding it in better now. Guessing though, if I tried, I could not get the other one in, so I'm not going to yet. Okay, just need to build up more pieces, that's all. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Wait, is that good? No, that's not where that goes. How though? Whatever, it clearly doesn't fit. So I'm just gonna take that out. Really building this thing again, for real. Here we go, okay. All is good, all is good. This piece can just slide on in here probably. Nope. It needs to though. That's for damn sure. Oh, just, yes, yes. Thank you. Okay. And what, this green piece here? Yep. Okay, now I can just take some others and get them on in here. So I think if I put this here, get a big old edge, I think I should be able to push this in very gently. Okay, if the whole thing starts to move around, I'll stop. That was extremely risky, but I did it. Well, did I? Yeah, I think so. Just need to keep building. Wait. Okay. The only thing that's gonna keep this thing sturdy is if I get this piece in. or else this whole build is fucked. And if it fails now, I'll be very sad. It just went in. It just went in with no issue. Somehow. It went in. Now it's time to smoke a talkie. Yeah, I'm hooked on these things now. I always just lighting them on fire and killing myself with them. Oh, my back. What's next? This piece? Yep. This is going to start speeding up now. I remember years ago when I did this thing, this would be the part where it like starts speeding up because there's so many few pieces, and now I'm like really getting the hang of like what goes where. And it's just about a blast. I mean, Blasty, that's who I am. I'm not sure if any of you actually would know that. Except for one guy. Actually, two guys would know. If you know, you know. Because you're you. Holy crap. I remember when I first got the VuCube 7, the biggest cube I had was the 5x5. Which is obviously 25 pieces on each side. And the 7x7 is an entire layer of pieces around that. So in 7x7 has 25 pieces on the inside. So I remember when I got the VuCube 7, it just felt like such a higher order of pieces. And it just felt crazy to me, like, that I could even solve it. I was just like, just felt wild to solve. I mean, you know, that was just after the 6th grade when I got the VuCube 7. I was like, holy, this thing is huge. It's awesome. Turning really bad. But like, it's just so big and cool. And I mean, what else is there to be said? And that's the wrong piece. Not what I needed. This is the right piece. Ah. Okay, I know what I need. I just need this piece, which sticker is just coming right off. This thing did actually surprisingly come with a whole thing of stickers in case you fuck up the stickers, which I did quite a few times. And then what needs to go there? It's one of these odd pieces. Yep. Bada boom. This thing is just going together now. Is there a chance I can put these in? Probably not. It's worth a try though. If I can just put these in, and then I could actually pick up the cube, show you guys the rest of the build. Seems risky, but I might just try it. But immediately, if it doesn't start going in, I'm just going to stop. Because I know there's no point risking it at this point, and it went right in. That's awesome. Oh, I don't have the other blue piece in. No, one-handedly I need to do that. But I need to find it one-handedly, because if I let go, this thing's going to explode. Like me on December 1st. Now I need... no, I need to build those pieces up more. I'm going to be careful with it. Not going to go too crazy. I'm not going to go crazy at all. Okay, what do I need? I know exactly what I need. And that's not good. Just really going to hope that this can go right in here perfectly. Without a problem. And if there's a problem, I'll stop. Okay, there's a problem, so I'm just going to stop. This just needs to go in. Okay, and it went in, so we're good now. I just need to keep building more and more pieces. I can't believe I'm actually doing it now. I'm telling you, after the first take of this video that I took, where like I said I was trying to build it and the thing just fell apart in my hands, I was pretty upset about that. It's just because I was trying to do it wrong. The way I was trying to go about it was just wrong. Oh, that's not the piece that goes there. It's one of these. But now I'm doing it the right way. And I'm, as the kids say nowadays, cooking. Because like, when you cook at, like, the kitchen, it's good. Like, you're cooking. So I think that's what it means when you do something else good. It's like you're cooking, I think, is the analogy of that. Crazy kids these days. High schoolers. Too bad I go to school with a bunch of high schoolers. It's kind of crazy. Oh, okay. This piece right here. Now, I promise now when I say it, I mean it. Soon I'll build a pick up the cube. I just gotta put this edge on, which I'll be very careful with. We want no accidents at this point. I can pick it up now. I haven't held this cube in so long, man. Like, this is... Oh, wow. Holy. Okay, so now I just need, what? These? Yep. This? Yep, and this is the part where it just goes really quickly. Because now I recognize the pieces and I know exactly what I'm doing. This just goes right in to here. Let my layers stay aligned. There's hair in the cube. Eh. Let's see here now. Need some of those weird pieces. Am I sure this wasn't the right piece? Oh no, it needs to be like that. Okay. At least now it's in video. This video is going to be way over 40 minutes long, but that's okay. With me, completely okay. I'm finally doing what I meant to do a while ago. It's good though. It's good. The mood has definitely switched to being much more happy now. Of course. I'm going to put it down just for this part. Okay, I need a different one. Nope. Pick that up with confidence because it's just not as many pieces left. Yeah, I showed this, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Yeah, that's where the cube's been this whole time. Right there. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Just need this now. Put it right. No? Oh. Or yes. Now these pieces are pretty loose, so I know exactly what they need. Their counterparts. Whatever that's supposed to mean, I don't know. Where did that other red one go? This would be a bad time to realize that 3.5 years ago when I took it apart, one piece did go flying into the trash. That'd be bad. And chances are I'm never going to take this cube apart, like, ever again. Just because, like, I don't really enjoy putting big cubes together. So, yeah. Okay. Where is it? Here it is. Now, this piece will make it so that I know that I can confidently build the rest of this thing without any sort of problems, because at this point it'll be pretty darn stable. Okay. Holy crap, the V Cube 7 is back in my hands. And I never thought this thing looked good, but because it's been so long at this point, I kind of miss it. You know, I neglected it because I was like, I didn't like this thing. It was never good. But now I'm like, it's been a while. It sure has damn been a while. It's weird because I felt like I didn't even own this thing for like years now, just because I haven't had it in hand. And now here it is. Holy fuck. Holy fucktard, bro. I don't even know what to start on next. What do I go to next? I'm gonna angle the camera down just because at this point you guys can see it. Hi. I guess I know what to do. Kinda. I'm pretty hungry right now too. Pretty much as soon as I finish this, the video is gonna end. I know that. Where is this piece that I searched for? There's a green one. Come on now, where are you? I don't know, just start with something else.